up, y'all? Hey, I'm getting going on another reverse flow, and I just finished a few of them. Just got paint put on one, but I'm starting up another one and gonna do a video on it for this guy. So anyway, I've done a lot of it. I'm about to cut the doors into the vertical chamber before I put it together. But let me show you what's going on. We got some stuff done already. That's the main chamber for it. Some stuff I've done because I was working on stuff while I was building that one over there. The paint's still wet on that one. But this is part of the vertical chamber, the front side, and I'm fixing to cut these doors out. I got a couple straight edges on there. I'm gonna cut them out with the plasma over there. But that'll be the firebox door and the chamber door on the vertical side. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna start with. I got the stand done. I got a few other things done. This whole pile of junk starting to pile up. I gotta get rid of that crap. It's right in the way. But I hate when I leave it there and it just starts piling up. I gotta haul it off now. But anyway, we're gonna get going on this. It will have some cutouts on it. I'm not gonna cut them though. I'm getting them done by somebody else. And just for the time, this thing, I should have been on this already. But I need to get this thing done. So I'm gonna get on that. We're gonna try to get it put together and hopefully get the main chamber and the vertical chamber put together today. I don't know, it's getting close to pretty late. I think it's about 3 o'clock now. So anyway, let's get going on that and see how far we get. Alright, y'all, we got it all knocked out. Only thing left to do is get the hose for the log glider. I've got them ordered, they just hadn't come in. But this is it. I didn't cut the names. I think I said that at the beginning. I had them cut on a machine. Due to time, I didn't think I was going to have time to do them because I still got to do a fire pit to go with this. But everything came out real good on it. This is the 30-inch reverse flow with the vertical chamber. The main chamber is 30 inches long by 18 by 22 deep. And the side chamber is 18 by 16. Y'all have seen these before with the 4 racks in there. The ash pan, coal basket, the log lighters in between there. Removable plates, coal racks down under there. But yeah, that'll do it on this one. I'm going on that fire pit. I think I'm gonna do a video on it too. I know I am. It's the same fire pit that I did the cutout on of that floor to lease. So anyway, that'll do it on this. And I'm jumping right into that fire pit. I got some of the stuff cut out over here. A few of them anyway. I need to turn the lights on now. But that's one I gotta cut. You can't even see that line on there, can you? There it is. But I got 3 of them done. I haven't cleaned them all up yet. I just got them cut. So I got to get to cleaning those and cut the other one and get all the other stuff that goes with it. And hopefully I'll have that video done by next weekend. Hopefully. It's Saturday now. But anyway, that'll do it on this video. That's the 30-inch. Oh, I do have the 40 one over here. The bigger version of that same smoker. I got paint going on that one right there. I'm fixing to put the second coat of paint on it today. But this is the same style smoker, just the bigger one. It has a 40-inch by 20-inch main chamber and a 20 by 20 vertical chamber on it. And it's all 1/4 inch. But that's the bigger version. This one also comes with temp ports and stuff. They're add-ons on the smaller one. But anyway, man, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Probably the next one coming is going to be that fire pit. Probably. I ain't sure. You know how that goes. So anyway, man, y'all come on back and see what's going on next time. We'll see you then.